On this video today, I'm going to show you a website that will pay you PayPal money to test websites, digital products, and mobile applications. The best part is that this website is available worldwide, so you can use this website to make money from home wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this website. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. As you can see on your screen, get paid to test website. On this website, you are going to be paid to test websites and many other products. You can see sign up and visit a website, mobile application, complete a set of tasks, thinking out loud, get paid. So the task is simple. What you need to do is that you have to look at products and then give your honest review about the product. So if you look at the product, you have to give a feedback to the product owner so that they can use your honest review to improve on the quality of the products. That is basically what you need to do on this website. You just give your honest review of the product for the product owner to get first hand information about your experience. When you come right here, you can see how does a web tester do. These are your responsibilities if you want to be a website tester. You can see right here, user pays testers to visit a website, app, or digital product, complete a set of tasks, and speak their thoughts out loud. Testers get paid for every 15 to 20 minutes test they complete. Special expertise is not necessary to get started in this website testing. You don't need any skills to get started. You don't need any experience to get started. What you need to do is that you have to just sign up for the website. You can see right here, sign up, complete the trial test in a timely manner so that we can unlock you. Download the user pick tester app for your mobile devices. So if you want to do the test on your mobile device, you need to download the app so that you can do the task on your mobile phone and then get paid anytime you complete. You can see right here, speak out your thoughts whilst going through a set of tasks for about 15 to 20 minutes. So some tasks will last 15 minutes, others will last up to 20 minutes. So that is the time that you are going to spend testing products. One good thing I like about this website is that you are always going to be receiving new tasks regularly so that you can do the test and then get paid. Unlike other websites, you are not going to wait for several days before you get new tasks. Once you complete a task, they are going to send you a different task so that you can complete and then get paid. They are going to be sending them regularly so that you can be testing the products as much as you want so that you can be paid. You can see right here, what do I need to start testing websites? So here they are talking about the equipment that you need to have before you become a tester. You can see to become a user pick website tester, you do not need much. So you don't need a lot of equipment. So what they need is that you must have a PC or Mac, a stable internet connection, and a proper microphone. You will need an iPhone, iPad, Android phone, or Android tablet if you would like to take mobile tests. So if you want to do the test on your mobile devices, these are the kinds of phones that you must have before you can become a tester on the website. If you also want to do it on the PC, you can see these are the requirements. Apart from that, you must be able to use Chrome browser or download iOS app or Android app. So you must have a device that allows you to use Chrome browser and then download iOS app or Android app. This is very simple. You need to be able to think out loud in clearly spoken English. You must be able to speak basic English clearly so that you can express your honest opinion for the product owner to understand what you are saying. And the age, you have to be at least 18 years of age so that you can become a tester on this website. Apart from that, you can see you need a PayPal account so that you can receive your payment. So you have to create a PayPal account so that you can receive your payments through your PayPal accounts. Apart from that, you can see right here, how much will I get as a website tester? You earn $10 for every 15 to 20 minutes website testing video that is approved. Additionally, if you qualify for a satisfied tester, your earning can be higher. For the future, we plan to release additional user test formats with according compensations. So that is the amount that you are going to earn as a complete beginner, $10 per every test that you take. And you can see right here, this is how you get paid. As I said earlier on, you are going to be paid through your PayPal accounts, as you can see it right here. When you apply for an account, they need to test you before they approve you as a tester. They will let you record a video of yourself testing a product. Once you test the product and then send them the video, they'll look at the video and then approve you so that you can become a tester on this website. They want to get people who can actually do the work, so you need to prepare yourself so that you can take the test and then pass everything for you to get access to this website. The first impression is the best, so make sure you prepare well before you take the test. You can see right here, from which country can a website tester apply? Currently, we are looking for testers from all around the world, with a few exceptions. We only need you to have good English skills and a PayPal account that allows you to receive money. So that is the only requirement that you need. Wherever you are in the world, if you can speak English, you are allowed to become a tester on this website. The name of the website is userpick.com. So you have to visit the website userpick.com. Once you visit their website, if you want to become a tester, you can download their application onto your phone so that you can be testing the products on your phone. Once you complete a test, you are going to be paid. If you want to become a tester, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, register now, so that you can enter your details and then apply for an account. Once you click on register now, you are going to see a page like this. What you need to do is that you have to enter your name. Just type your name right here. Once that is done, you are going to enter your email address right here. So just enter your email address. Enter your email address right here. Once you enter your email address, you need a password. You need to enter your password right here. You can see, enter your email address, your password, and then click right here. I agree to UserPick's privacy policy and terms and conditions. So just accept it. Once you accept it, you are going to click on next so that you can continue with the rest. Once you click on next, you are going to enter your first name, last name, nickname, PayPal address. You are going to enter your country of residence, language. You are going to select your gender, your birth date, and then the device that you are going to use. So you have to select the device right here. Once that is done, you can click right here, create my account, so that you can get access to a free account. Once you get access to a free account, you have to take the trial test. Once you take the test, if you qualify the test, you are going to become a tester on this website so that you can be making money from home. Apart from this website, you can also come on this website right here. You can see, let's make the web a better place. On this website, they also pay you to test. So when you scroll down, you can see right here, be the first, see what real companies are working on right now and let them know what you think. You will be the first to get sneak peeks behind the screen. So that is it. When you scroll down, you can see, take tests anywhere. Addicted to your phone or tablet? Fear not. You can take user tests on any device, phones, tablets, desktop, whatever you prefer. Once you take the test, you can see earn rewards, collect badges to show off to your friends, and get compensated for each test conveniently via PayPal. So they also pay you via PayPal anytime you complete a test. You can see, be part of the internet next revolution, help good ideas happen, make suggestions and stop bad ones in the tracks. So your opinion is very necessary and it can help the world become a better place. You can see over 651,315 tests has been taken. So this is a legit website that you can also sign up and then become a tester so that you can be earning money from home. You can see, enroll today and make the web a better place. So you have to create your free accounts. You don't need to take any tests on this website. Once you create your accounts, you can begin taking tests and you are going to be earning money. The name of this website is enrollapp.com. So just search for enrollapp.com so that you can get access to this website. Once you get access to the website, click right here, register, so that you can register for your free accounts. Once you register for your free accounts, you can be taking tests. Once you take the test, they are going to pay you. So make sure you sign up for the two websites so that you can be making money testing products online as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.